Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the first row your working header. Click the row number and type clear column labels that describe each column. Once done, format the row so it stands out. Bold text, contrasting fill color, and alignment choices that match your data. Make sure to resize columns so labels aren't cut off and use wrap text if a header is long. This prevents confusion later and gives you a stable, visible structure to freeze in the next step. Now you freeze that header so it stays in view. Go to View, choose Freeze, then one row, or drag the small gray bar below row 1 downward until it locks. This ensures your labels remain visible as you scroll through thousands of rows, which speeds up data entry and review. Make sure filters are applied to the header if you want column filtering, and adjust widths or wrap settings so header text fits without overlapping the data beneath. Finish by protecting and sharing the sheet correctly. Select the header row, open data, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges, then restrict who can edit it so collaborators don't overwrite labels. Once protected, use filter views for temporary sorting so your original header and views remain intact. If freezing doesn't work, make sure you aren't in a filtered view or that another freeze isn't already set. Also try a hard refresh or disabling browser extensions, since those can interfere with the Sheets interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.